Say good morning, everyone. Good morning. Making the most of this outfit, eh? Because you're not gonna wear it again when you come back. It will be bigger than how you are right now. Hey, you're gonna be a big girl when you come back. Guys, for the last time, I'm gonna have to get. I'll go for the cream stuff. Cream donut. This one looks really nice, so I'm just gonna get it. I'm just gonna try this one as well. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Third person was there, fourth person.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think Beyonce will ever do something like that. Yeah. Let's see what they have here, right?
Huh?
Yeah, they have this. So cute. For Myra. Yeah. Oh, really? Really? What a nosy. So nosy.
He knows what to press.
Yeah. You want a playground like this?
That's a perfect gift, sweetheart. This thing.
Yeah. You want a playroom like this? Huh?
Yeah. No.
Is anyone in there?
No.
Hi guys, so just an update from us. We just at the mall. Our flight is not till 6 p.m. this evening. We'll probably leave at like 3 p.m. So we have a few hours to check in and sort out everything at the airport. Huh? What? What is it? Da. So cute.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How many tears do you have? 60. Getting this one?
So we're off to the airport. Off to the airport now.
I'll see you then.
You keep an eye. I'm carrying her. When are we gonna stop fighting? What is this, Labby? Huh? What is that? Look, there's another one here. It's Panda. Hi, Panda. There's so many pandas. Hi. Hi, Panda. Say hi. Right, you guys, we're making our way to our gate. Oh, what a process. Hey, what a process. Yeah, we've got about an hour to go, and then we leave Australia for Singapore. Hey, hey. Hi. Uh-oh. Say uh-oh. You guys, so this is our plane. Singapore Airlines. You gonna go on that plane? Yeah? You gonna be on that plane? How many times are you gonna be on the plane? How many times? Almost 20 times now, eh? Careful. Careful. Who's excited to get on the airplane? Who's excited to get on the airplane? Is it Amira? Amira? Okay. Boarding now, guys, to Singapore. You gonna go sleep? Huh? When are you gonna go sleep? Go sleep. She's getting naughtier. She's finally sleeping, guys. That's good. Let her sleep. You don't mind?
Good evening.
Right on time. She sleeps right on time. Amara just woke up. Now she's having a roti. How's the roti, Lily? Is it good? Just watching Snow White. You guys, so we've just arrived in Singapore. We have about less than 2 hours to go to our next gate, and that is it for us. So yeah, so proud of my princess here for being so good on the plane. She slept pretty much half of the flight, so that was good. Love you so much. Are you excited to see your papu and your mom and your boy and your brothers? Look how beautiful in here, you guys. I think she's not gonna sleep on this flight. It's a 5 hours flight, you better sleep. Huh? Amira. I'm so tired, guys. I just wanna go sleep. This naughty girl over here doesn't wanna sleep in the bassinet. We've arrived to India safely. Oh, look at that. Look at those hands, baby. Are you excited to meet your family? Huh? Your brother there.
She's so fine.
Look how much she's grown. Let me see. Who's that?
She's heavy.
Who's that? Hey gosh.
Happy birthday, man. Hello. How are you?
Alright, you guys. We're finally in the car. Oh, the AC is so nice in here. But yeah. My phone is about to die, so I might not. I think we're gonna go get some food along the way. If I don't talk to you guys, then I'll see you guys when we get home. As soon as I charged my phone, then I'll be back to vlogging again. But yeah, Amira's a bit shy seeing her. Obviously we came last year when she was only 2 months, but that doesn't count really. Leave it. But yeah, we're gonna go grab something to eat on the way. I think it's gonna take about a couple of hours to get home. So yeah, talk to you guys soon. This is Flash. So we're having breakfast here. Buffet? Oh my gosh, you guys, look. This is what I'm having. You guys, this is so good. Yum. Nope.
I sit here.
Tower. गोली वो रहा वहाँ पे है दिया गोला
Which one there?
yeah
Is it deer? Oh my goodness. Beautiful.
अरे भाई पे वो आम खा प्यार में थमें जरा
नहीं नू देखा है पर मैं कहा आएगी
नोने ओए ले लड़ तो ले आराम से तली
नजर मार ली मागी डब पर नजर मार ली
आज अच्छा मगर ने सुन देख रही
फिर तेरे पता वो ले रही अप्रूवल की जाऊँ नहीं जाऊँ दूसरे डब्बे के
ਹਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਾਣਾ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ
हाँ
ਲੈ ਪੈਣੀ ਪਿਆ ਪੂਰੀ ਲਿੱਤੀ ਆ ਪੈ ਗਈ
Yummy? Yummy?
ਹਾਏ ਸਵਾਦ ਆਇਆ ਰੇ
Amira's having cow milk for the first time. It's already been pasteurized. Pasteurized.
ਬਸ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਇਤਨੇ ਬੜੀ ਕਾਕੇ ਕਰਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੜੀ ਕਾਕੇ ਘਰ ਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਡੱਬੇ ਲੈ
Yummy? Guys, Amira is sleeping the Indian way. And I'm destroying these bad boys. It's so good. It's mango season at the moment. Hello. Are you going home? Guys, I don't know if this is the next day vlog, but this is rice, you guys. Rice. My mother-in-law is currently drying it, but we just had to move it in because I think the rain is coming. Wow.
कपड़े गंदे हो गए इसके हाथ भी धो ले हाथ धो ले चल वहाँ जाया कर चल इसके हाथ पे
Bye. Bye, baby. Bye. See you. Bye. Look at this little girl eating the whole mango. Having the whole mango to yourself, aren't you? Huh?
पीछे तो खागी रे आई देख मरला पीछे
This side.
ना ना ये वो लोग जब टप टप मार देगी मेरी ना ये तो इनका भी चीज रखी थी ना अच्छा मस्त ये तो लोग को तो इसी यार
Amira, look at your deep. Amira, look at your deep's house.
तू क्या टकराएगी रुक जा तब तक मैं सीधी सीधी करूंगा
ये छोटी है
ये क्या है ये क्या है ये क्या है
देख ला देखे तकिया के पास ही एकदम सा लगा दिया
Massage.
लीव तो जाते जाते तू थक जा
It's a workout for you.
बता दो है ठोस है हम जो इसको जो यार अरे यार ठोस ओए ओए
Yeah.
ले विंगर आ गया
पूरा गुठली एक जी कर दी पेन नीचे का चक्कू भी डालो
दो नौकरी भी है
दो दस सात सात चार ऊपर तीन नीचे है
वीडियो
हाथ दोनों